All right, hello and welcome to the weather update. It is April 4th, 2019, and this is what the sky looked like today. Some clouds, some high clouds around from time to time today. There was some clear sky in between, though. Did have, we did have some more clear sky in the afternoon, but I didn't go to the Pine Barrens again today. I couldn't. I don't have the energy to do it again. To going twice this week. But anyway, here's the satellite. Here's another satellite image to look at here, and you can see the cirrus streaming in, and this is ahead of the next storm system here. So we're gonna have the cirrus stream in overnight, and the temperatures have dropped already into the 40s across the island. There was a sea breeze that kicked in on the south shore around 7 o'clock or so. Let's see if it shows up on here. Yes, you could sort of see it, and the temperatures dropped to around 50 into the upper 40s. But it just got to the immediate south shore of the rest of the island. We were in the mid and upper 50s today. We can look at the temperature at Farmingdale right now, 47. But it did get quite warm today. 50, well, I mean, not that much above normal. 58 is only about 4 degrees above normal, but it did reach 58 degrees at Farmingdale today. But you can see how the temperature is starting to drop off, and that's because we have like a backdoor cold front coming through. So let's look at the models and show you what's going to happen with the temperature tonight and tomorrow, because there's going to be a drastic drop in the temperature as we go into tomorrow with this backdoor cold front coming through. So as we go into tomorrow now, backdoor cold front is a term we use for a cold front that's coming from New England, moving backwards, moving southwestward. So that's what we call a backdoor cold front. But you can see tomorrow it's going to be quite chilly. In fact, we are going to struggle to reach 40 degrees tomorrow. And it's going to be pretty dreary on top of that, clouds and some showers around as well. For the weekend, we do rebound on Saturday. Saturday is going to be quite warm, probably 60 to 65, and for Sunday, same kind of thing. All right, so we'll be quite warm. I'm not going to go beyond that for this weather update. We're just going to focus on the next 3 days. So we have this rain coming. So let's shift it over to the precipitation, and we'll show you the storm. And actually, once it starts north of the city, there might actually be some snowflakes that might mix in. But it is mainly rain into a Friday night and into Saturday morning, and then it exits the area, and it's dry for the weekend. All right, so let's take a look and see how much rain the GFS gives us. This is the model I don't like to use for precipitation, is the GFS. Usually I use the NAM. You can see it does give us, actually gives us close to an inch of rain, a quarter of an inch to an inch of rain perhaps, less south of the city. So, but anyway, I'm going to move it over to the NAM now, and we're going to go and look at the NAM, because that's a model I generally like to use because it's got higher resolution when it comes to precipitation events. So this is the 18Z NAM as well. So here we go into Friday. Starts off dry, but you can see the rain and this little mixing north of the city. And it starts in the late afternoon and the evening, and it could get kind of steady. It probably won't be heavy rain, but there'll be a period of steady rain from say 5 o'clock through like probably midnight or so, and then it tapers off as we head into Saturday. Looks like it's trying to develop something over there. Look at that. Isn't that interesting? It's trying to develop another. Wouldn't surprise me with those warm water temperatures. One storm at a time here. So let's take a look and see how much the NAM gives us with rainfall. And you'll see. So it will be a nasty day. It'll be cold. It'll be rainy. Be drizzly. Just bundle up. It'll feel like a nasty April day. You can get those kind of days in April. So it does give us an inch of rain as well. So it looks like we could get an inch of rain out of this, which we need to, reduce the fire risk, of course. And April generally does have rain in it. If we don't get a lot of rain in April, then it's going to be a really bad fire season when we get toward May. So we are getting some rain, and that's a good thing, I guess, considering there's been some brush fires around lately. Though, again, brush fires are part of the Pine Barrens ecosystem, but I'm not going to discuss that here. This is a weather update. And it is important to get rain in April. Otherwise, like I said, it's going to be, if you don't have enough rain in April, it's not good for the summer. A lot of things suffer, So I'm going to look at the HRRR and see how that model does with the next coming rain event. I'll move it back to this. just looking at the timing basically, and the timing seems to be, when we look at the timing, you see as we go into it's later Friday afternoon through the evening, and then it tapers off after midnight. So that's the timing on this. So it will impact the evening rush. It won't be heavy rain, but it'll be a steady rain, and maybe some heavy at times rain. The other thing we need to look at, and I'll shift this back over to the NAM, is the wind, because it may be a little gusty. Let's take a look and see what the wind speed is here, and see if the wind. I could actually look at Vent2Sky for that too if I want as well. Winds will pick up out of the east. They won't be terrible. Won't be as strong as we had the past couple of days, but it'll be a little breezy, so it'll just make it feel, nasty, I guess. Let's go and look at the sky cover. Actually, yeah, I can look at it on Vent2Sky too if I want. We can look at the winds on Vent2Sky too. We'll look at that. So tomorrow around 7 p.m., around 24 hours from now, we'll look at the wind speed and see what it is. So, no, it doesn't look too bad. This is what it is. It's not too bad. Only 8 miles an hour. That's not too bad. But let's look at the wind gusts. See what they go up to. Maybe 15 to 20. It won't be too bad. It won't be too bad. No, it shouldn't be too bad. So let's go back to the models and let's take a look and see what the sky is going to be doing for the weekend. The sun will be out, but unfortunately it won't be clear. So we'll take a look at. We know we have the clouds Friday in place. It'll be overcast. Saturday we'll start off with some clouds, and then the sun might come out by the afternoon. But there'll probably still be some clouds around. And then let's go and look at the GFS one. This is the NAM. Usually I like to use the GFS for the clouds, so let's look at that. So again, as we go into Saturday, you see a good amount of clouds over. It's probably high clouds, and the same for Sunday. So it really won't be clear. We won't have any nice blue skies for a while, probably, because after that, we're gonna have lots of clouds around right into next week. This is gonna kind of suck, but at least we've had some nice weather the past couple of days, which has been good. So I guess that wraps up this weather update. So it's gonna be kind of chilly, nasty day tomorrow. Not that unusual for April. It will be, like I said, look at these temperatures. We'll go to the temperature here. I'll show you what it is tomorrow night. So you can see 39 with that rain falling and the wind. It's going to feel chilly. That's for sure. So just bundle up. Don't put your winter jacket away. You're going to need it tomorrow. Anyway, that's going to be it for this update. Thank you for watching.